Hi there guys, my name is Paul, exercise physiologist at BJC Health. Well, it's 2020, the new year, and for this time of month, a lot of us decide to set new goals or resolutions around our health and fitness. Usually the easiest step with this part is actually setting the goal, whether it's to lose some weight for a mid-year holiday, or perhaps it's to just get a bit fitter or stronger so we can do more around the home or for our day-to-day tasks. The hardest step though is actually deciding what to do to get to that goal you set for yourself. There's the gym, going for a run, enjoying a bit of a walk, maybe doing Pilates, yoga. There's so many choices out there. This video today is going to help narrow down those choices for you by establishing a couple of key points that can help you decide what might be the best for your goal. The first point you want to consider is your goals. What is it that you want to achieve, and in what time frame do you want to achieve it by? If you can answer this question really well, it's going to help narrow down your options. For example, if your goal is to be stronger and fitter, to be able to lift your grandkids, help around the house a bit more, enjoy your gardening, then perhaps running on the treadmill at the gym might not be the best option. The second point you want to consider when deciding what might be best for you to return to is previous experience. So for example, if you've played a sport in the past before, perhaps baseball, or you've actually been to the gym and lifted a couple of these weights around, that might help narrow down your options even further. My third and final point for today's video is the age-old phrase, time is money and money is time. Now, gym memberships these days can be pretty cheap, but it's about the time commitment and the investment that you can make traveling and preparing for the gym that might be the biggest barrier for you. Going for a simple walk or run is free, and you can do it anywhere and anytime. These are just a couple of tips I've given you today. If you need any more assistance or have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to us here at BJC Health. My name is Paul, I'm an exercise physiologist. Take care and stay safe in the new year.